Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a very quick episode of Underdog Garage with Pete and Bob here.
Hey.
Just wanted to announce a big milestone. We just hit 100,000 views on the channel.
Yes, thank you.
So couldn't do it without you. We really appreciate your support, and it's just amazing to see that people are watching our content all over the world. So
Grateful for the time that you take out of your busy schedule to follow along with our adventures. But the thing that we love the most is the feedback that we get from you. Because in this channel, we're all about inspiring and challenging you to take on those really big, scary projects. The whole reason we started this is because we found ourselves purposely just pushing that envelope of comfort, whether it's our mechanical skill or our experience, or we're just thinking, man, we're going to get in way over our heads. And we have, and we do, and we're still here to talk about it. So we want to challenge you and inspire you to take on that big, hairy, scary project of yours. Because, if we can survive it and go through it and live to tell about it, then you can have that fun too. So we love sharing that. We love that you're inspired, and we love to hear the stories. So keep them coming.
we've never considered ourselves technicians by any means.
Professionals? No.
Yeah. We're just a couple of DIYers who like to dive headfirst into these projects and hopefully come out on the other side in one piece, and with the car still rolling in one piece. But ultimately for us, what we really enjoy is sharing that with you, seeing that it inspires you, and presenting it in a meaningful way.
Yep.
So being able to put these nice edits together and do the best I can with them is really awesome, and we're just really stoked that you can join us on the journey of our experiences. To be honest, we have kind of gotten a little behind schedule on putting out some videos.
But we have been busy.
But we've been busy, and frankly, it's a lot of it's because we've been in a sprint to try and get this car done before the end of summer. Just getting close to the finish line with it, and we're excited to share the results of the Miata being done in the big reveal video. Doesn't mean we haven't been filming. We've been doing a lot of filming around bodywork, painting, engine, transmission stuff, convertible top. So a lot of cool stuff that we've been filming, and we're really excited to share that with you. Really want to say thank you for getting us to 100,000 views. It's huge for us, to hit that number. And
never thought I'd get to that number.
I know, it's crazy. We're in six figures. For us, it's a big number. So
we'll keep pedaling.
Yeah, we'll just keep pedaling the bike and keep it rolling. But again, we couldn't do it without you. So thanks again so much for watching. To our subscribers, thank you.
It's Garage Cat.
All right, hang on. He hasn't made an appearance yet, so we got it.
We're going to introduce you to the Garage Cat.
Still rolling, right?
Yeah.
This is our baby boy Joey.
Garage Cat, aka Garage Cat.
So we got to bring him on. He's not hyped to be here. He's like, I'm out. Anyways, thanks so much again for watching and subscribing. Have fun, stay motivated, and we will see you next time.
Bye.